Within 6 months, I traveled with my wife to the countries of Peru, Costa Rica, and Iceland. I was amazed at many of the natural landforms I saw in each place. During the trip, I thought about the colossal forces required to shape such landforms: water, wind, and even churning molten lava underneath the Earth's crust, which has played critical roles in creating these natural designs. I also thought about how these forces shape the lives of the people in each region, how they utilize their surroundings, and how they prepare for situations when these forces cannot be controlled. In April 2009, we took our first trip to Peru to visit my wife's mother's family. Peru is culturally rich and geologically fascinating. It is geologically diverse. Peru is located on the Pacific coast of South America. Most of it is dry desert. Some areas produce beautiful mountainous sand dunes like the ones here. The Andes Mountains divide Peru. On one side is dry desert, and on the other you can find plentiful rainforest. The Andes is vast, and in order to travel to the rainforest, it requires flying. However, on the desert side, there are plenty of beautiful isolated beaches along the Pacific Ocean. However, even with the desert, there are areas that flourish with vegetation. Peru's mountains are due to the collision of the South American and Nazca plates. The movement of the tectonic plates produces many earthquakes here. The view from the road is very scenic, but towns are often very far apart from one another. In the summer of that year, we visited Costa Rica. Its parks are among the most picturesque you will ever come across. Many of these parks are abundant with plant and animal life, such as coatis and capuchin monkeys. It was amazing how close you could get to many of the animals. Costa Rica is located along the Isthmus of Central America, located between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Costa Rica has many volcanoes due to the subduction of an oceanic plate underneath the continental plate. This also creates many natural hot springs where people go to bathe and relax. We watched intently the top of the volcano at night to see if we could witness any flashes of molten lava that might be spit up by the volcano. The area around the Poás volcano reeked of sulfur. It was freezing at the top of the volcanic crater, which is on top of a mountain. Here we get to enjoy the natural hot springs provided by the underground magma that heats these waters. In early September of the same year, our travels took us to Iceland, a place that seemed more alien than any natural place I've ever seen before. Iceland is an island located near the Arctic Circle. It is situated on the mid-Atlantic ridge where the North American and European lithospheric plates are diverging. Because of this, Iceland is very volcanically active and gives rise, like Costa Rica, to many hot springs as well as geysers. It was amazing to watch this geyser with superheated water erupting like a volcano every several minutes. It was important to remember to stay back because this water is super hot and can give a nasty burn. The people of Iceland utilize the heat created by magma located near the Earth's surface for utilities such as heat and electricity. This energy, known as geothermal energy, is clean and renewable. There are also many other natural wonders found in Iceland, including amazing waterfalls, glaciers, cliffs, and lava fields. You could feel the great force of the wind and the water that uniquely shaped the landscape here. Interesting landscapes within Iceland were very alien, mostly formed by glaciers and volcanic activity. Iceland is often known as the land of fire and ice. In Iceland, people can actually travel between the gap that is created by the divergence of the North American and European plates. Our journey through 3 geologically rich countries within a year allowed us the opportunity to see how Earth can be transformed by wind, water, ice, and even fire. It is amazing to witness the natural beauty these forces have created and how they can be utilized as resources.